Hey everyone, welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is July 4th, 2025, and we're taking a look at Google, ticker symbol Google. We're going to analyze the latest news and then dive into the charts to help you make informed trading decisions. First, let's recap some current events. Recent headlines highlight increasing competition in the AI space, particularly with OpenAI potentially launching an ad-supported ChatGPT. This could steal ad revenue from Google search. We also have to keep an eye on regulatory concerns, with ongoing antitrust lawsuits by the Department of Justice. A ruling is expected in August regarding remedies, potentially impacting Google's business model. Despite these headwinds, there are positive developments. Waymo, Google's autonomous vehicle company, continues to expand its robotaxi service. Analysts' price targets remain optimistic, forecasting a potential 12% increase in the stock price over the next year to about $201.48. Now, let's move to the charts and see how these events are reflected in the price action. We're starting with the one-day chart to get a broad overview. Looking at the past several months, we can see Google has experienced considerable volatility. Let's look at the range of February 2024 to May 2024. We can see a choppy period with several significant swings. The stock attempts to break through resistance around the $150 and $160 levels multiple times. It then sees a large correction in late April. Zooming in on June and July 2025, we see Google attempting to climb above the $180 level. There's a recent surge, likely tied to positive quarterly earnings, but it's met with resistance. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart for a more detailed view of recent price action. We'll narrow our focus to the last few trading days. The one-hour chart shows a recent period of consolidation, and today's action has been strong. We are seeing Google push through $190. This bullish momentum could be attributed to renewed investor confidence in Google's AI initiatives, as well as positive market sentiment from strong earnings reports and better-than-expected revenue growth. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to get an even finer-grained look at the breakout. The most recent candles show a continuation of the upward trend. This is confirming the breakout from the one-hour chart. Now, recapping what we've covered today, keep an eye on $190, which has acted as a previous key resistance level. If it breaks, we could see a continued bullish trend to $200. However, failure to hold above $190 could signal a pullback towards $185. In the longer term, analysts project a target price near $201.48, which seems possible if Google keeps its AI investments going strong and double down on the areas that make them successful. Keep an eye on further expansion from Waymo, as it could greatly increase profitability for Google in the long run. Remember to factor in the antitrust trial results in August. It could significantly impact GOOGL's future.